Tontor the elephant loved to splash. He splashed in the water during his bath. He splashed in ponds. He splashed in streams. He even splashed in his dreams. But as time went on, the rivers dried. The world was changing. Something wasn't quite right. The earth was getting hotter and hotter. There was so much less fresh water. He put his nose to the ground to sniff out a scent. He got a whiff of something that smelled quite wet. He dashed at the thought of a nice cold drink. But when they arrived, it had gone in a wink. "I'm so thirsty," Tontor complained. It started to drizzle, and then it started to rain. The ponds and streams began to fill. Tontor cheered as it flowed down the hill. He drank plenty of water, but he no longer splashed. Instead, they shared and conserved what they had. They caught rain in bottles and saved it for later. They even shared their water with a thirsty alligator. They did what they could to prevent more drought. They ate plenty of plants, but also planted more sprouts. From the largest elephant to the smallest bug, they all did their part to give our planet a hug.
Yeti!
Subscribe for more.